Denzel, and welcome back to my channel. We are on problem number 24 in this LeetCode problem set. I do my solutions in this round in Python, but I have about 20 minutes before I cook dinner, and I want to try to hammer this out. I just did day number 11 for the LeetCode challenge, so I wanted to go ahead and jump in. So this is number 24, swap nodes in pairs. So given a linked list, swap every 2 adjacent nodes and return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the list's nodes. Sorry guys, list nodes, i.e. the only nodes themselves that can be changed. And they give you this example down here and these as well. They also say the number of nodes in the list range from 0 to 100. So, pretty self-explanatory. Editorial's blocked. We got 9,000 solutions and no submissions from us yet. I've never actually done the start timer, so I kind of want to try it. It really works. Okay. So, given that question, let me read it one more time. So, given a linked list, swap every 2 adjacent nodes and return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the list's nodes. Okay. So let's start with a base case before we do anything. And basically, if the head is none, right? If the head is none, or there's only one node, then just like return the head, right? Because there's nothing to swap with. So if not head or not head next, return head. And then we should create a dummy, like a dummy node as the new head. So we're going to do dummy equals, and then we're also going to do dummy next. Then after this, we should do a pointer to track the previous node before the pair. So I'm going to say previous equals dummy. And for this, for dummy, we should have it as the list node, the value of 0, and then this should be the head. So I'm thinking to swap the pair of nodes, we first list the nodes that have to be swapped. So the first node head and then the second head next. So it's like swap and then swap like that. Does that make sense? So then we kind of go into like this like swapping matching where it's like previous next is second and then first next is second next and then second next is then first. So let's say while head and head next, and then we say those nodes. So I said, I think first equals head, and then second equals head next. Then let's do, I said previous next equals first next and second next. And then after this, we'll move the pointers. So previous next would be second. First next would be second next. And then second next would be first, I think. What did I say after that? Move the pointers. So let's move these pointers. So let's say previous and head. And we want that to be first. And then the head will be first next. And then we just return the new head. Is that right? So hold on. You must solve without modifying the values in the list nodes. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Lord. Okay. So let me just do a brief return. Oh, next. Because that would be returning the new head. Would be the dummy next. So that makes sense to me. So let's go over this base case. We got the base case. We created the dummy node. It's a new head. We have a pointer to track to the previous one, which is just the dummy. It's not the dummy next. So then we swap a pair of nodes, and we set the nodes that need to be swapped. And then this is them swapping, and then this is moving the pointers, and then this is returning that new head. Okay. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Here for that vibe. Let's go ahead and submit it. I had 20 minutes before I had to do dinner, and now I will be able to do it 15 minutes early. So here we... Okay. I was like, please accept it. Oh! Okay. Okay. Okay, I like her, though. I like her, though. Cool. Well, that is all I have for you guys. We solved this in 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Was it easy? It was medium. No. So we solved it in 5 minutes. Well, more than that because we had to read the problem a couple times. So let's just round it up to like 10 because I read this problem like 4 times. And I think I read it twice before I started this video. So let's go ahead, round it up to 10. Say we had a great time. And that I will see you guys in the next video. The GitHub repo with the LeetCode and the LeetCode solutions is going to be down in my comments. So please feel free to clone and fork, have some fun with it, make it better, make it worse, make it however you want. Just have fun and learn something. That's all that matters. That's all that matters in life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.